Hello everybody, this is Infinix Hot 20i, and today I would like to lead you through the process of setting up parental controls for this device. So the first step is to launch settings, then enter the Google category. Make sure that there are no accounts linked to your system, thus no accounts over here. If you have any the same way as I do, just remove them by tapping over here, then manage accounts on this device. And remove them like so. After there were no accounts left, tap on the parental controls option at the same Google category of settings, then get started, child or teen, next. Now we will wait for a small moment. In here, tap on add or create account for your child option. If you have already some Google account that you are going to use, just sign in. If not, sign up. I happen to have Google accounts already at my hands and ready to be used, so I'll use it. In here, if you are logging into an existing Google account, obviously enter the email first or phone number, then password, which I will quickly do off the screen. Choose whether you would like to turn on the backup to Google One. Agree on anything that it asks you for. More, accept. Then choose the account that we have just signed into from the list over here. Then you have to enter the credentials for the Google account that you will use for supervision. Thus, if you are a parent, your parental Google account. So let me do that as well. Then I'll quickly enter the password. In here, scroll the page all the way down. In order to confirm the account linking procedure, you have to enter the password to the child's Google account once again. So, let me quickly do that off the screen once more. Next, you'll get this little dialog window over here, so tap on the allow option and wait for 2 accounts to get linked. Then click on next. Here you can prematurely manage some of the child's app. You will be able to do that later on. So if you would like to finish the setup, just skip it by tapping on the next button. The same goes for filters and content restrictions page. In here, at the manage parental controls page, see whether the device that is written in the bold font is the one that you will use yourself as parent, or the device that you will use for supervising. To be more generic, if it checks, just tap on a blue Install Family Link button, and the needed app will get automatically downloaded to the parent's smartphone. In my case, the device's name is right, but I will just show you how to do that manually, so I'll tap on a skip button. So basically we are all set as far as the child's end goes. Now we have to take the parent's phone, then open up the Play Store. In here you need to get the Family Link app. Obviously it is accessible for free, so just wait until it gets downloaded and installed. Then open it. Make sure to log into the app with the parent's account that you have pointed out earlier while setting up the parental controls on the child's phone. So here is my account, so it checks. And in here we have our here it is, Infinix Hot 20i. You'll have one device probably, not as many as I do. So in here you can set up some daily limits for time frames for the child to use their device, set up the downtime routine, manage app activity as well as monitor it, apply content restrictions, configure account settings, and manage devices if you have, well, multiple. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.